Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to tune in your GoPro Hero 7 to 9 settings. Now this is what GoPro footage looks like when you don't change the settings at all. And this is what it looks like after. I'm going to be showing you that right now. So here is our GoPro. As you can tell, it has the normal settings dialed in. It has 1080p 60, and we have all the normal stuff. Now 1080p 60 is fine, but if you want the most cinematic footage, you gotta record in 24 frames per second and 4K if you want. I'm going to choose 1080p because it takes up way less space. Now the next thing we have to do is lens. Now we actually have to change that to linear, so now we get that nice linear effect, and it gets rid of that ugly, bulby fisheye. Next, if you're using the GoPro outside, then I would recommend using Hypersmooth. But if you're filming inside with a tripod, then I would recommend setting that off so that you have more area, and your GoPro lens will just be a little bit wider overall. Zoom and clips, we don't need to touch that. Now, we are in ProTune. Now, ProTune's the very important stuff that we're gonna need to change. Now, choose bitrate high so that there's going to be more detail everything that you record. Next, turn the shutter to 124 or 148 depending on your lighting conditions. I like leaving it at 124 because my lighting, I put it all in one area, and that's my school area. Now white balance, we just leave that to auto. ISO minimum, leave that to 100. ISO maximum, I'd leave that to a maximum of 800 so that you don't get too much noise, but it gets nice and bright, like sort of a nice balance. Next, obviously turn the sharpness down. Turn it all the way down. Sharpness is terrible. Now turn the color from GoPro to flat so that you have more flexibility in the editing. Hey guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you loved it, please subscribe, and if it helped, please subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye!